Food and life's such a beautiful thing, don't you think? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe here, like this content, click on the bell, be a part of the notification. My brother's friend's mom made us fresh kimchi, and she put it in a Tillamook Country Smoker teriyaki beef jerky container. What better way to celebrate this? First and foremost, I want to give a shout out to her. Thank you for making us fresh kimchi. What better way to celebrate fresh kimchi with Galbi, or my twist, or I'll say as pretty authentic Galbi or Korean short ribs. Let me show you how I make it. First thing guys, I got an Asian pear here. I got 4 pounds of beef short ribs here. I'm just gonna peel this Asian pear. So this is gonna act like a tenderizer for this meat here. Once I got this nice and peeled, just gonna chop this up real quick and just DC this. I'm gonna take the pear, throw it into a blender, 3 cloves of garlic, and we're gonna blend it up. Once I got this nice and pureed, I'm just gonna dump it in, guys. Do this marinade: 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Shout out to Indonesia. I got that ABC sauce, or the sweet soy sauce. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of this, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm also gonna chop in a few sprigs of green onion. Half a cup of water. Take your beautiful clean hand, get into it guys. Make sure you guys get it into every crack, guys. We're just gonna let this marinate for 3 to 4 hours, guys. The longer it sits, the tastier it'll be. Next, our rice. You can't have Korean short ribs without rice. So I got 3 cups here, which I'm just gonna pre-wash 2 times. Once you got this nice and rinsed, we're gonna take our finger. We're gonna take our index finger. We're gonna take that tip of the index finger, and we're gonna fill the water up to this line here. So like this, fill that water. And that's how you get your perfect rice water. Once you got your perfect rice water, we're gonna just dump it into our tiger. Shout out to Tiger Gang. Elephant Gang, you still cool. Penguin Gang, you still cool. Nothing to it. Pop the lid down, press it to cook. I think this brand is made in Japan. Yeah, there it is, guys. Shout out to Japan for making high quality rice cookers. I wanna do something with this. I have this leftover coconut here. Still good. I wanna use this coconut before it goes bad, guys. So just got maybe half a cup of it in. I'm just gonna stir that in there. Just gonna season it a bit too. Just a pinch of salt. And that good old creatine. I gotta get my creatine in for the day. Just 1 teaspoon of it. Lid. See you in a bit. I'm gonna spray my skillet. Beef ribs. Throw it in. My mouth is watering right now, guys. Nothing to this, guys. 3 minutes on each side. I don't want my short ribs overcooked. I want it a little undercooked. 3 minutes up. Gonna flip them. As we wait for that to cook, I got some coconut rice here. Some of that fresh kimchi. Guys, you know this kimchi is legit when it comes in the flour. Just kind of place it in the back there. And take my beef short ribs, place them on the side. Alright, that bowl, can't kick it with us because does not fit all the food on. So I gotta bust out my favorite plate. Fresh coconut rice, beautiful kimchi, get some sesame seeds, throw that on top. It is, guys, keeping it nice and simple today because I'm too hungry. Let's get into this. Let's get into this, guys. Got the Korean special tool. chopstick and a spoon. Let's get into this. So I'm gonna take this Korean special tool, or the scissors. I'm gonna chop down my kimchi. Thank you again to my brother's friend's mom for making us some fresh kimchi. You know the kimchi is legit when it comes in the flour. Once that's chopped up, we gotta chop up our galbi, or our short ribs. I just want to dig into it right now. All right, we're digging into it. Guys, galbi, quick time. Yes, got it. Nice, on palm. Guys, rice, quick time. Nice. The coconut rice is so bombs, guys. And a bit of that kimchi. Nice. The perfect combo. The roof of my mouth is still hurting. But I'm still eating. Coconut rice goes so well with this. Followed by the kimchi. That's some bombs kimchi right there. Wow. Let me ask you guys. I think that was the best part though. Meat around the bone. Do you guys even know what love is? Do you? Wow. One thing I love about short ribs, I love that fat on there. Just melts in my mouth. That's love. Wow. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. One thing I would try a little different, maybe not use the iron skillet, but just a regular pan. Mmm. 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 Welcome to Flavor Town, guys. Mmm. Mmm. That's legit kimchi right there. Mmm. Coconut rice is so mellow. It just complements everything. You can have coconut rice as a dessert or an entree. It just so bombs. Mmm. The best tool in the kitchen. Mmm. So fatty and good. Mmm. It's cold here, guys. We legit didn't even get fall. I think fall happened for like 5 days. After that, winter just came. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mm-hmm. This part's a little tough. Mm-hmm. So perfect. Mmm. Wow. I should get more rice, but I'm gonna do an ASMR pasta tonight too. So more protein than carbs this morning. Alright, this is very hot. Wow. This is the best plate you can ever purchase, guys. Bratty kitty. Bratty kitty. There you go, kitty. Tell everybody how tasty it is, okay, kitty? Make sure. You like it? Kitty. Kitty, how's it? Is it good? Yes! Kitty, can you bring your bowl to the dish, please? Excuse me. Can you bring your bowl to the dish, please? You brat. Food and life is such a beautiful thing, don't you think? Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your Food and Life's a Beautiful Thing shirts. Like shirts. Hey, kitty, come say bye. Come say bye, you brat. Oh, careful. Peace out.